Get ready for the heat on this first alert weather day. You see a little bit of, I guess, what's left of the marine layer there, if it even really showed up. So Darren Peck will join us in just a minute. But first, the Alameda County Office of Emergency Services is reminding everyone to take serious precautions today to beat the heat, such as a great reminder, never leave kids or pets in a parked car. Temperatures can jump so quickly, between 10 and 20 degrees just within 10 minutes or so. Wear loose-fitting clothes, stay hydrated, and that means drink water even if you don't feel thirsty. Find some shade or a space where AC is available, and of course, apply and reapply sunscreen whenever needed. There's a list of cooling centers on the Emergency Services website. So Darren, temperatures, talking about baseball, talking about the scoreboard. For the first time this year, we've got a triple digit on there, correct?
We do for the Inland East Bay, Max. First time we've done that. 20 degrees warmer today than we were yesterday in many places. And to add a little bit of complexity to this, in addition to the heat advisory we're going to talk about, there's also a beach hazard statement. And the two of those happening at the same time present some challenges because the weather over the next couple of days is going to inspire a lot of people to want to get to the beach to cool down, which is actually a great idea, especially if you can get there on weekdays like this. But you've got to be very careful of the surf. So the beach, one thing. Getting anywhere near the surf is something else entirely in terms of the risk factor that you're going to face. So what we need to do with that in mind is discuss the heat advisory in relationship to that beach hazard. Take a look at the heat advisory. North Bay Valleys, Inland East Bay, South Bay, you're all included in this. You can see it's an excessive heat warning in the Central Valley. They're really getting hit hard with this. But if we look at the juxtaposition here, the coastline at the same time has that beach hazard statement, and that's for Wednesday and Thursday. So keep those two things in mind. If you're going to be anywhere near the beach, riptides, sneaker waves, those are the two things to be aware of. Those are the waves that seemingly come out of nowhere. They go much farther up the beach than you're expecting. And then they also have just as much force to pull anything in it, whether it's you or debris, right out to sea. So just be real careful at the beach. All right, the heat risk map. There's some detail on here. This is for today. And the color coding on here matters. There's a little splotch of red that shows up for the North Bay. Red is where you've got a major risk of heat-related health impacts. Most of us in the Bay don't have it. It's really a Central Valley issue. Most of us are orange, which is a moderate risk, which means you can go about your daily life, really, but you've got to take this into consideration. If you do have a job where you're working outside, this is the kind of day where you really want to make sure you're seeking shade way more often and staying hydrated. If you're in the red, you might want to consider putting off any outdoor work entirely. And there's a very localized area on here in the North Bay. Santa Rosa, the city, you're not in it, but just on the northern edge, up around Windsor, you are. And so is Napa. Look at Napa Valley there. You've got that long streak of red going down through Yountville, down into St. Helena. So those are areas that are going to experience this a little more intensely. So everybody just kind of do your part to take it easy on yourself and check on neighbors. If you've got neighbors who maybe need some air conditioning, make sure you're checking on them. Let's get the daytime highs on here. If we look at today's numbers, we're going to climb back into the mid-90s today for most of our North Bay valleys. San Francisco, you're going to 80. That always has to stand out. Look at the Inland East Bay. Antioch, Concord, you're going to be right on the verge of 100. That's the number Max was just talking about. And you'll be at 95 in Livermore today. San Jose, you're going into the low 90s. How long is this going to last? Let's get specific on this. And for that, we'll get into the 7-day forecast. We're going to get a few of them in here if we've got some time. We're going to start out with the inland microclimates. And generally speaking, inland is referring to several locations. We're talking about the North Bay Valleys, which we've already seen. We know we're going to be on the verge of 100 there. We're talking about the Inland East Bay. We looked at that as well, Concord, Antioch, Livermore, you're going to be at these numbers. This applies pretty accurately in general for a broad region of those inland valleys. You can see the improvement shows up by Friday. But if we want to talk about the Bay, we've got to get more specific because under a heat wave like this, we are going to experience this differently depending on what part of the Bay you're in. So rather than generalizing this, we're going to do this with somewhat more specifics, and I want to show you what San Jose is going to look like. You'll be the representative for the Santa Clara Valley. So this is San Jose, Santa Clara, Cupertino, Los Gatos, low 90s today and tomorrow. And then things do get better once we get back here towards Thursday and Friday. Let's go up the peninsula. Redwood City is the example on here, not only for like Central Peninsula, Redwood City, San Mateo, but this also applies to the East Bay Shore. through Alameda County. So think about like Hayward, Union City. Your numbers bring you to the mid and upper 80s today, and then you'll cool down into the mid 70s by the weekend. And it's helpful to also use Oakland here because you've got a lot more influence to the immediate onshore flow. These will be some of the lower numbers Bay Area wide. The exception to this would be San Francisco, which will be about 4 or 5 degrees below each one of these numbers. But if you look at Oakland's numbers, since we're talking about going out to the ballers, mid 80s. Today, 82. Wednesday, another game here on Friday. It'll be 70. Look at the marine layer coming back by the time we get towards the weekend. All right, guys, back to you.